In today's video, we will be talking about one reason why you need this app.
Welcome to our channel Winning with the Chain Breakers.
Winning with the Chain Breakers. Hey, everybody. Welcome to our channel, Winning with the Chain Breakers. And I am your girl, Keisha. And today we are going to be talking about racial profiling. Yes, I said it. Racial profiling. I know that you've probably seen a lot of videos over the years, a lot of content, a lot of people talking about it. But listen, you all, I want to give my opinion too, and I want to share some information with you all on today. But once again, thank you for coming in and listening to me on today. But before you leave, please make sure you like and subscribe, and do me a favor, you all. You see the bell, go ahead and click that bell so the next time I go live or put a video up, you will get a notification. I really do appreciate that from you all. Thank you so much. All right, so back to this video. What I have to talk about on today. You know what, you are? I am a black woman, and I'm married to a black man, and I have a black husband. Yes, he's black. And I have a black son. Yes, he's black. We are black. And I am very, very proud of it. But one thing that I know that we have to deal with, and maybe you have to deal with it, is being racially profiled because the color of your skin. Is it right? No, it's not right. But is it happening? Yes, it is happening. So on today, in this video, I'm going to share with you all a news segment from back in 2023. This young man, he was in California, and I believe maybe he lived in California, and the police officer, a white police officer, pulled him over, and he was just treating him unfairly. And in the video, you will hear the young black man call him racist and different things like that. I don't want to tell the story, but listen, this is one reason why I believe if you are my skin color, you need this app. You need to get your family protected. You need LegalShield. And not just if you are my skin color, everybody need it, right? Because one way or the other, there's so many different minorities out there that have been treated wrong, that have been done wrong by the police. And not even the police. I'm not going to get into all of that. But let's get into this video, and I want to share this video with you all, okay?
Now a 10:30 video posted on social media triggers accusations of racial profiling in Costa Mesa. Police have launched an investigation into the incident, which was recorded during a traffic stop a week ago.
The driver told the officer he didn't have his driver's license, and the situation escalated from there. KTLA's Carlos Saucedo live at Costa Mesa Police Headquarters with the video and the reaction. Carlos.
Mike and share that controversial traffic stop happened exactly a week ago. The driver alleging racial profiling and discrimination. Tonight, the police department here in Costa Mesa, they've launched an investigation.
You're not going to tell me you have the right to search the car.
A traffic stop posted on TikTok has blown up following controversial comments made by a Costa Mesa police officer.
I studied at the #1 public university, though.
What?
Berkeley. Prison. That's racist.
As soon as I said university, he said, what, prison? Twice.
Abdullahi Aiden was behind the wheel. It was last Tuesday when the 22-year-old UC Berkeley student was pulled over leaving South Coast Plaza, initially for having tinted windows, before things turned heated.
He told me, where's your license? I told him I don't have my physical license on me. I do have my driver's license number memorized. But then he just began looking through the car, the driver's side door, with his flashlight.
Aiden alleges racial profiling after telling the cop he did not have the right to search his vehicle.
He just sees a black kid in the car in Costa Mesa at the mall, and he thinks this kid's up to trouble.
These comments were, at best, racially insensitive
At worst, they were racism. KTLA legal analyst Allison Treasel points to a recent Supreme Court case that disputes the cop's claim. The officer in this case was wrong. He did not have a right to search this driver's vehicle because this driver did not have his driver's license. That is simply not the law in the state of California. The Costa Mesa Police Department has launched an internal investigation, saying in a statement, quote, "We are committed to protecting and serving our community fairly and with empathy. We want to ensure our community that we take these matters seriously."
I'm not anti-cop. You know what I mean? It's the issue is the cops are not looking at us like human.
And following that exchange, the driver was given a fix-it ticket for those tinted windows. He was also told that the cop involved was placed on administrative leave. That's the latest here in Costa Mesa. Carlos Salcedo, KTLA 5 News.
So let me know what your thoughts are about the video and the young man. As you see, his video was on TikTok, and I believe it probably might have went viral. But let's get back into the video. Let's talk about it for a minute. What do you all think? Do you all think that he was racially profiled? I know I do, because he was just pulled over, and they were saying in the state of California that just because you don't have a driver's license does not give the police officer a right to check your vehicle. And so people, we need to know our rights, and we need to look up our rights, right? And so I just believe during that time and during that moment, right then and there, if he was a member of LegalShield, and if he had the app, he probably could have told the police officer, "Excuse me, Mr. Police Officer, I'd like my attorneys to speak with you." Like, that part saves so much going back and forth, going back and forth, going back and forth. The attorney is the mediator. You don't have to go back and forth with the police officer, right? Because it could have turned another way, but thank God that it didn't, and the police officer only gave him a ticket. But how many times has that happened, right? That's rare, right? And so it's just really sad that we as a people, we have to deal with things like that. It doesn't matter if you're a woman or you're a man, if you're a minority, it doesn't matter. Racial profiling, it is wrong. For someone to treat you a certain kind of way because the color of your skin, and they don't like you, so they mistreat you, right? Maybe you might be trying to get you a new car. A lot of people are trying to get new cars and get new homes. A lot of people are traveling, and there's so many different businesses and companies out there that just because of the color of your skin, they don't want to do business with you. They will look right over you. And is that fair? Is that right? No, it is not. And guess what? You can get an attorney on your side if you feel and you can prove that you are being discriminated against. You can get help. Listen, you all. If this is you, you are not alone, because guess what? There's somebody in the world that has been through it and that has went through it and they have overcame it. But I'm here to let you know that you are not alone out there. And that is where LegalShield come into play. That is why I'm here to share this information with you all, to get protected, to protect your family. And I believe that this app could have helped save a whole lot of other people. Just like in this clip right here that I have showing these pictures, these different people. These are real people that were falsely accused of doing things that they didn't do. And as you all know right now, what they're doing, especially with the AI and people going in and they're identifying men, people went to jail over AI, and it has not been them. Like, there's so many stories. All you got to do is turn on the news and look on YouTube and find these stories out there. There's real people that are suffering from this and been through situations, been to jail for something that they didn't do. because of the color of their skin, right? And so in this next video, I want to share with you all what LegalShield really has to offer as far as when you're operating a vehicle. And I believe that this video goes hand in hand with the last video we was talking about, right? So the power of having this app, the power of it, of having this app in your car and having it on you in your pocket wherever you go, you're able to have access to an attorney. I don't want to give all the information. Let's get right into this video.
My name is Laura Berlin, and I am an attorney with LegalShield's legal provider firm, Dubail Judge PC in St. Louis, Missouri. Today, I will discuss common legal matters related to traffic incidents and how an attorney can help with auto accidents, traffic tickets, and more. Whether you experience a minor fender bender or are involved in a major moving violation, affordable access to legal help is important. We are going to cover 3 main questions you might be asking yourself. How can an attorney help in the event of a traffic violation? Getting involved in traffic violations can easily hurt your driving record. Some of these violations include speeding, failure to yield, stop sign violations, and more. Even non-moving violations, such as an expired tag, can result in hefty fines. Always remember, you have the right to seek advice and assistance from an attorney. An attorney can help protect your legal rights and offer the necessary counsel to protect you through the legal process. Can an attorney assist with traffic tickets? If you receive a traffic ticket, which is the most common traffic legal matter, whether you choose to fight the ticket or simply pay the fine, an attorney could help keep points off of your motor vehicle record. Even if you or the attorney can't get the fine reduced, an attorney can still advocate for you. They can also advise you about your options and even represent you in court when appropriate. Being represented by an attorney lowers the stress of you having to handle the traffic ticket by yourself. With LegalShield, you can upload a speeding ticket directly through the mobile app and have an attorney get back to you within 4 business hours or less. How can an attorney help in the event of a traffic accident? If you are involved in an accident, you have the right to seek advice and representation from an attorney. If your car was damaged, but you were uninjured, your attorney can still help you with the property damage claim. If your vehicle can be repaired, the initial damages could still lower the value of your vehicle. An attorney can explain your options and help you to move forward. LegalShield provides plan participants with direct access to a dedicated provider law firm. If you have specific questions related to a traffic legal matter, you can speak to your LegalShield provider law firm. Thank you for your time.
So just like the attorney said, you have access to an attorney around the clock. You need this app, all right? The LegalShield plan is $29.95 a month. This covers you and your family. At another day, I will go into details who's covered and really break down the membership of it. But this is one of the reasons why I believe that it is very important that you have this app on your phone and you get your family protected today. Winning with the chain breakers.